Hello, I'm Rob Chambers with Total Telecom. I'm here with Sue Oliva of Juniper Networks. Hello, Sue.
Hi.
So, Sue, you're the Vice President of Customer Services and Support, EMEA, at Juniper Networks. What does that actually mean?
So that means that I'm responsible for the teams that assist the customer through the different stages of the networking lifecycle. We break the networking lifecycle into three different phases: plan, build, and operate. During the planning phase, we have professional services teams that will actually design, architect, and plan the solution for the customer. They will then also assist potentially with the implementation and the migration. So then we have technical support and advanced services teams that will take over during the operate phase to provide in-depth technical assistance to the customer if they do encounter any problems during the operation of the solution, but also, and more importantly, to assist the customer in understanding what preventive measures they can take to avoid any potential problems, to de-risk the solution, and then to continually optimize it as they go forward.
Okay, great. So you've also mentioned in there the networking life cycle. Lots of companies talk about their life cycles. What does Juniper mean by that?
So the life cycle we refer to is really not any different fundamentally from that which many other companies, whether they're in the IT industry or not, refer to. But we break it into plan, build, and operate because as a product company, there is a tendency for both us and the customer to focus on the sale as a single point in time. And we want to ensure that our customers have a successful implementation by encouraging them to look at the whole life cycle to ensure that both the planning, the building, and the operating is actually implemented successfully and that the solution actually delivers the value that the customer expects.
Okay, great. So if that's the case, are you saying that the customer should be turning to the vendor for consulting?
So most vendors will have consultancy teams and obviously will have in-depth expertise in their own products. But most of the solutions that are being put together are not exclusively Juniper solutions. So we have many partners and integrators that have relationships with multiple vendors who will own the different parts of the solution that the network integrators will pull together. So frequently, the network integrators or partners will have a broader depth of expertise that they can bring to the customer to build a complete solution.
Okay, so what does that mean the role is for the vendor?
So the vendor will actually play a very important role because first of all, they will have technical expertise and will be able to assist the customer and the integrator and provide expertise on the solution. But more importantly, many of the vendors will have some sort of accreditation program where they will actually certify and accredit partners or integrators that they know have the expertise necessary in their particular products. So the role of the vendor is really twofold. One is to provide that technical expertise to complement the expertise of the partner, the integrator, and the customer. And the second one is to have some sort of accreditation program to ensure that those people that are representing the Juniper product out to our customers do so with the right skills that will ensure the level of success. Because ultimately, it's Juniper's name that's on the box. So we have to do everything possible to make sure that all solutions that are architected, including Juniper products, deliver the value that the customer expects.
Brilliant. So thank you very much for clarifying that for us. It's
You're
very
welcome.
interesting. Nice to meet you.